Managing clients, projects, invoices, and contracts all in different apps? That's a headache. Today we're comparing Plutio and Bonsai, two all-in-one platforms built for freelancers. Let's see which one wins. Plutio is a complete business management suite. It combines project management, time tracking, invoicing, proposals, file sharing, and even a client portal, all in one customizable dashboard. It's built for freelancers and small agencies who want full control. Bonsai is more focused. It's designed specifically for the financial and legal side of freelancing: contracts, proposals, invoicing, expense tracking, and tax prep. It's streamlined and super intuitive for getting paid faster. Features: Plutio gives you more tools overall: task boards, time tracking, team collaboration, even a CRM. You can basically run your entire business from it. Bonsai focuses on contracts and payments. Its contract templates are legally vetted, and its invoicing system is faster and cleaner. If you need project management, Plutio wins. If you need rock-solid financial tools, Bonsai's got the edge. Ease of use. Bonsai is simpler. Clean interface, easy onboarding, you're up and running in minutes. Plutio has more features, which means more setup. It's not complicated, but there's definitely a learning curve if you want to customize everything. Pricing: Plutio starts around $19 per month for solo users. Bonsai starts at $9 per month. Both offer annual discounts. Plutio's cheaper upfront, but Bonsai includes automated tax tracking and expense categorization, which can save you money at tax time. Choose Plutio if you want an all-in-one workspace with project management, collaboration, and full customization. Choose Bonsai if your priority is getting paid: fast, professional invoicing, bulletproof contracts, and easy tax prep. Both are solid. It really comes down to whether you need a full business operating system or a financial powerhouse. Which one fits your freelance style? Drop a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool breakdowns. See you next time.